Hey, I'm Tyler from Karl Chevrolet, and here we have the new 2021 Trailblazer. This is going to be a great new vehicle here for Chevrolet. This is going to be between an Equinox and a Trax here. As you can see, we have the RS trim. This one's going to be really, really nice. You got the black grille there for you, along with kind of a two-tone black top and black wheels. Looks a lot like a Blazer, but like I said, it's just a little bit smaller there for about an everyday vehicle. One thing you'll notice with the RS2 is you get some sportier wheels. We're going to have some black and chrome accents there for you. Those look a lot cooler, along with the blacked out mirrors, blacked out top on top. One thing that's cool with this trim as well is you actually get a panoramic sunroof as well. We'll work our way over to the back here. Your back hatch is going to be just like some other ones. We're kind of hidden. Simple push of a button there. It's going to come all the way back up for you. One thing you notice, you actually get a lot of storage capacity in these ones too. You get some extra ones on the side here, and then you're going to pull up this little tab, and then you're going to have your spare tire and everything underneath there as well for you. If you want to fold the back seats down, just like some other Chevrolet models, you're going to have a little hand over here. You're simply going to pull on it, and it's just going to fold right down for you. You're going to have a 60-40 split over here. They're just going to fall simply down, and then over here as well, little hatch over here. These are just going to fold down just like that as well, making it all flat for you. Now we're inside the vehicle here. One thing you can tell from being the RS trim, you're going to actually get kind of a sportier steering wheel here where it's flatter on the end, just giving it kind of a newer look for you. Touchscreen here is still going to be that infotainment 3 that we're used to. So going to have your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay standard on all these vehicles here for you. One thing that makes this one nice is down here, we're actually going to have some buttons. This one is all-wheel drive. Simple push of a button, and we're in all-wheel drive just waiting for us there. Couple other buttons over here that we're used to. You got auto start stop right there on the left. You're going to have your lane keep assist there, traction control, and then sport mode. They're just in a little bit of a different spot for you in your Trailblazer. Climate control here. As you can tell, we're going to only have one single climate control. This is going to be your heating and cooling, as you can tell right there on our little dial. This one also has heated seats. There's my driver's side, and then the passenger side is over here. Same thing like our other Chevrolet models. You're going to press it once and it's going to put you on high. Press it again, put you on medium, low, and then that's going to turn it off there for you. Hopefully you enjoyed looking at the new 2021 Trailblazer. If you have any questions or if you want to give it a test drive, give us a call.